Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about the Gatorback Mud Flap options for a 2020 to the current generation, we're up to 24 as of right now, GMC Sierra heavy duty, single rear wheel, not a dually. So we have three different options to whatever you're liking as far as install goes. We're going to start off with the black anodized upper bracket. These are going to fit on trucks that have the small rounded mud protectors, not the larger mud guards. If you have a larger mud guard, stay tuned, we have an option for you. These install directly over top of those rounded mud guards. They come in a set of 4. The upper bracket is anodized aluminum. It's black. It has a nice matte finish. It's not going to chip, peel, anything like that, since it is the anodized aluminum. You're going to have the mud flap underneath. You're going to have a ton of plate options. It's 11 or 12 different logos. There's black ones without logos to make sure that you fit whatever you want with your truck. These come in front and rear sets. It has all the hardware you need. Everything you need to install it is going to come with these sets. So we're going to take that same design, but we're going to have a upper bracket that is 304 polished stainless steel. If you don't want the black look and you want something a little flashier, we got you covered here too with the polished stainless steel. Exactly the same design, setup, all the same hardware. The only difference is you're going to have the polished look. That comes with the same logo options, the same plate options as well. And this still goes over the smaller mud guards, not the larger ones. If you have those larger mud guards on there, Gatorback did come out with a new option for you. They have the finishing caps with it. So you're going to take off those smaller mud guards. The front ones are fastened to the finishing cap. They're going to be 12.5 inches wide versus these ones which are 12 inches wide. So the front ones are going to give you just a bit more tire coverage. It's going to be a direct bolt on. Take the old one off, put it on, no drill. Install has all the hardware you need. You're going to get that. But then the rears, that is a more traditional mud flap. It's going to be 12 inches wide, and it comes with the rear pair of finishing caps as well. This is going to give you a beautiful finished look. It's going to match the flare color that's on there. These are paintable. We've had some guys paint the finishing caps if you want to do that. With this, you're going to get 4 finishing caps. So it's going to cover all of your tires. So these are the options that you have for the GMC Sierra heavy duty single rear. Everything is listed on the website. You can get it there, get pricing, or give us a call.